Alright guys, long time no see. I'm here back. Been, I don't know, a couple months. Been busy working and shit, you guys know. But I've been neglecting to clean Monty real bad. He's all dirty. I washed the outside the other day. It ain't too bad looking. I waxed it and stuff. Same old, same old. But yeah, she's all dirty from work and got all these rubber bands back there from work and shit. Oh, I got a new radio too, by the way. My other one took a shit yesterday. Seems legit. But yeah, I had some what's that shit called? Power steering fluid leak all on my my floor. The bottle was like messed up or something. But I got fire extinguisher and shit back there. You never know. You never be too safe. Got a stash of rubber bands back here. And a light bulb from when I changed these the third brake light to LEDs. I also changed the blinkers front and back. I gotta do the tail lights and headlights, but other than that, oh yeah, and I did the reverse lights too. So, like I said, I'm gonna be vacuuming her today. See, I don't know how I'm gonna vacuum and record at the same time, but I'll give it a shot, I guess. You know. I remember on the last video, I forgot to, I was recording like with my phone the wrong way. So it was retarded looking, you know. Put that in there, grass is wet, and some bitch all covered in nasty shit. Oh well. Grab these carpets up out of here. Oh, I gotta ask you guys that if you guys know of any like cheap, decent fog lights that I can use to replace these ones with. Cause this one's all kinds of messed up. You touch that with your finger, you're gonna get cut or something, you know. But yeah, if you guys could, you know, send me some links to something on my Instagram or something, you guys know, I'd appreciate it. Grab all these. But what these rubber bands are for really is so I work for the newspaper, and we use these to bundle them up, right? And like bundles of 10 or something like that. So I'm just grab all these, put them right back there for now. Oh, and there's the breast that part to the center console. I haven't figured out how to put it back in yet because the radio over there is like too wide or something. So I ain't necessarily got that all figured out yet. But once I do figure it out, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, sorry for not recording in like over 2 months or whatever. That's what, April now? My last video was like 4 days after my birthday or something like that. But I saw this morning my buddy, he sent me a screenshot, and that video's got like 90 views or something like that. Can you guys believe that? That's crazy, man. I never thought in a million years that I'd get that many views on just one video. It's wild, man. I don't know how long this video is gonna be either. I don't know what the deal is gonna be with that, but we'll figure it out. I also need you guys recommend any like editing software or anything. That way if I like mess up or something, you guys know I can edit it out. Unless you guys just want to hear me talk all day, you know. I can do that too. But look at all this dirt and grass, paper, all kinds of nasty stuff everywhere. But I don't know if I'll Windex or whatever, cause I ain't got none of that Armor All wipes or none of that. I ran out of that stuff a while back. I just ain't bothered to go get it. So maybe maybe I'll go get some later today or whatever. But here goes a struggle on me trying to. This is gonna be loud, guys. So we'll give it a shot. We'll see what's good. If I can get the button, shit. There we go. So I don't know if you guys want me to do that again, but yeah, I feel like that was louder than like louder than hell. I don't even know. I'm bringing this forward that way I can get behind the seat. See how far that should be good enough. But it looks like my seat's falling apart or something by this little whatever. I don't even know. Looks like little foam stuff that like comes out of the seat, but who even knows, man? I don't. But I'll probably record this side and then I'll just do the other side. You know, not recorded or whatever. Be honest, I might have to get the carpet cleaner, cause that's all kinds of stained, and you guys can see it, but it ain't got all the grass and shit on it, so that's one thing. That's like the main thing that I'm worried about right now. So I'm gonna hit that other side over there, and then I guess I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back, and a little bit better, ain't a whole lot. Just really get rid of the grass and rocks and stuff. Got that a little bit organized over there. Let's see. Oh yeah, no. I ditched them rubber bands. I just threw them some bitches somewhere. I don't even remember anymore, but I just chunked them somewhere. But got this all. This little wood chippings and stuff because my sub's falling apart, which sucks. But you know, it is what it is. Let's see. Yeah, like I said, I got this all organized. Well, half decently organized. I'll fly wherever eventually. But yeah, I definitely need to get the carpet cleaner sometime or another from somebody, and take care of that. But right now, I think I'm about to go grab the Windex, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the Windex, some microfiber towels. See if we can take care of some of this dust and stuff. It's all in there. Got some of this orange stuff that I don't even know if you guys can see that, but had some orange shit up in there. Let's see. I might organize that, but you never go wrong with having a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver, just in case. You never know. But where do we start? I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Guess it's if the Windex wants to work. Here we go. Put that down. Grab one of these. Yeah, it wasn't that bad up here. I think what's gonna be worse is all up in there, right here. All of it needs to be clean, but you know, got a little squirt. Put that in there. I don't know if you can see those swirl marks, but honestly, I'm just trying to get the dust and shit out of there. And Windex seems to do the trick, so. A little bit better. It'd be a whole lot better if I still had some of them wipes, but you know, I ain't know where they went. Oh, there you can see the swirls and stuff. Yeah, classic. Ain't no full detail, but it'll get the job done, you know. Gotta enjoy the simple things like some Windex. Maybe one of these times I'll give you guys like a full detail, or like video me detailing this. I was gonna show you guys that I sprayed this shit all up in there on accident. Anyways, I was gonna show you guys me washing it the other day, but I don't know. I guess I wasn't feeling it or what, or whatever. Excuses, I know, but it was real bad. It would have been a good video too. And I ain't gonna be able to get that Windex out of there. Shit. I'll figure it out. There we go. Let's see. I definitely ain't gonna spray in there, even though I probably should. But I ain't got that panel right there. That goes all in here. I ain't got it in yet because it sticks out like and it hits right here. So you know, the hair right there. That's nasty. Ain't mine. That's somebody's about 6 inches long. So I think I'll just spray my towel and then I'll wipe that down. But yeah, this radio, this radio is it's nice. I mean, I spent I think $116 with it on it with a 2-year warranty. But man, I was listening to it this morning. I was jamming out. Definitely louder than my old one. It's weird because it's like the same exact thing. It was the same wiring and everything, you know. Who knows? Probably just same thing, newer technology. Cause this one's got Bluetooth and all kinds of fancy stuff that I ain't never gonna use. Like, you can call people with it. I sure as hell ain't gonna use that. I don't talk to nobody on the phone when I'm driving. That's dangerous. I mean, I understand that the whole thing is supposed to be like hands-free or whatever, but I don't even answer the phone when I'm driving, unless it's like an emergency. And the only way to know that is if they call back more than once. Like my mom always used to say, whenever somebody called and she didn't know who it was, or she couldn't get to the phone in time, she said, "If it's important, they'll call back." You know what? That's true. I don't know if you guys know anything, but like, I don't know if there's a clip back here or something, but this thing right here has been like out of place for like the longest time, like since before it was mine, you know. I ain't quite figured out, you know, what the deal is behind it, but I don't know. My finger in there. Try not to put it in 4-wheel drive, because I don't want to deal with that. Clean it to our best of our. Yeah, look at that. That was all up in there. There you go. Yum. Yeah, like I said, I've neglected cleaning it for the longest time. I'm not quite sure why. I guess I could come up with any excuse really, but why bother? I gotta ask you guys if you guys want me to what is that called? You guys want me to record me working one day, you know, just like a day in the life of like a newspaper delivery guy or whatever. See what's good with that. I mean, it's up to you guys really. Just an idea. I ain't quite sure how I'll do it, but I'll figure something out, I guess, if you guys really want to see it. Ain't bad, it's already looking better. I gotta get it all over there and all that. I gotta get the steering wheel, doors, rest back there. I'll get what I can. I'll get there eventually. I ain't in no hurry. I ain't got nothing else to do today. Hopefully this video isn't longer than like, I don't even know. Hopefully I ain't boring you guys to death cleaning my car or whatever. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see me work on it, but I ain't really got nothing to do to it. Except for maybe whenever those headlights come in. So we'll see. Well, I guess I should have done all the lights, but you know, I really wasn't even thinking about it until like I already put them in. Now it's like I ain't about to take them out again because that'd be pointless, you know. But they're LEDs. I think They're like 15 bucks for 2 or something like that. Just got them at Walmart. You know. They're bright. They get the job done, definitely. I don't know if you guys saw, but I got like first place on something on Instagram. It's kind of cool. It was like a whoever's car has the most miles and is still running and something like that. And the dude messaged me. He's like, "Hey, can we use a picture of your car and a picture of the miles and put it up for like a competition type thing?" Let me see. Let me move this out the way. But yeah, he wanted to use it for a competition thing, and I'm just spraying right all over everything. You know, before I got it, that's what it was used to clean it anyways. Clean your car on a budget. You know, we ain't got the time or the money to go pay whatever that shit's called, that Armor All stuff. Gotta make do with what you got, you know. Go hit that other side. No, I guess I'll hit this back piece right here real quick. My neighbor's probably like, "What the hell is this dude talking to?" Or "Who the hell is this dude talking to?" Mm-hmm. Just talk to myself, really. Damn, I didn't even see that. That's all kinds of fucked up. Oh well. Oh, another cool thing that I don't know if you guys know about Montero's, but they got this like little toolbox back here. It's cooler than shit. Got all kinds of cool tools in it. I don't know what. I know this and this is for the it's like a breaker bar for the lug nuts and stuff. And then there's this little Allen key thing right there. It's for the sunroof if it ever goes bad. But the sunroof don't even work. Like it don't even open, so I don't even know. I guess I'll spray this off real quick. But all that dust and stuff's probably inside. Who knows? Yep. I gotta take that apart, measure it all, and then rebuild it with some real wood. See what the deal is with that. But oh man, it's been a while, guys. I don't know. Like, I was talking to my buddy after he sent me that picture of my last video getting like 90 views or whatever, and I was like, well, damn, maybe I should make another video, because I've been meaning to make another one. I just, you know, blowing it off, you know, like everybody does when they're trying to make a YouTube channel. Like in the beginning, I'm just trying not to be like the rest. I'll trade this one out for a new one. It's got some shit on it. It'll be alright. But yeah, if you guys want me to record me working or whatever, I don't know, maybe I'll make like a time lapse, because I work for like 2 hours. Or while I'm working, it's like a 2-hour thing or whatever. You guys know. But sorry if the camera keeps rotating. I ain't quite figured out this whole like recording thing yet. I'm getting there though. You know, you gotta figure out the small things before you can do anything. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't know how I'll do it. Like maybe I'll hook my phone up to that thing facing backwards or forwards or whatever. Or something. I don't know. I ain't figured it out. But yeah, if you guys want to see that, just let me know. I'll try and figure something out. Thinking we're almost done here. This part and that part. Probably missed some shit, like usual, you know. But like I said, this isn't a full detail or whatever. It's just get rid of some of the shit that's lingering around. I think that's about it. We'll give it a little walk through real quick. See if I see any. Oh, I missed that whole spot right there with the vacuum. Oh well. I think we're good. So I think I'm gonna end it here because I really ain't got nothing else to talk to or talk about. I mean, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. So let's see. I'll end it out on a good shot, maybe. If I can find like a thumbnail or something. We'll see. Yep. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.